Election Commission of India (ECI) today held National Roundtable Conference with state election commissioners at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi, marking the first such meeting in 27 years. Chaired by Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar and attended by Election Commissioners Sukhbir Singh Sandhu and Vivek Joshi, the conference brought together state election commissioners, chief electoral officers from all 36 states and union territories, and legal and technical experts to enhance coordination on electoral processes and logistics. The discussions focused on strengthening cooperative federalism in election management, exchange of technological best practices, transparency and security of electronic voting machines (EVMs), improvement of electoral rolls, and a presentation on the newly launched ECI NET digital platform, along with a comparative review of voter eligibility provisions under the Representation of the People Act 1950 to facilitate structured dialogue on the legal, administrative and technological framework governing elections to panchayats and municipalities conducted by state election commissions under Articles 243K and 243ZA of the Constitution.